Let's cut straight through the noise. The Philips Norelco Multi-Groom 3000 might seem almost too cheap to criticize. $19 for a full grooming kit sounds like a no-brainer. But is it really a smart buy? Or is it another disposable tool that'll waste your time and your patience? In this video, I'm giving you 20 brutally honest reasons why you might not want to buy this trimmer. But for each reason, I'll also give you a fair counterpoint for where it might actually make sense to go for it. If you want real world, no hype advice before spending even a single dollar, stay tuned. Let's begin with the first point. Number one, it's cheap plastic. The first time you hold it, you'll know. It's lightweight, it's almost hollow feeling, and not designed to survive major drops of heavy abuse. Counterpoint, for $19, expecting aircraft grade aluminum or stainless steel is pure fantasy. Number two, the motor is basic. It handles regular facial hair, fine, but if you try tackling a thick winter beard or dense body hair, you'll feel it struggle. Counterpoint, for regular trims every few days, it's powerful enough to keep you absolutely neat. Point number three, non-replaceable batteries. Once the internal battery wears out, and it will after a while, you have to dump the entire unit. You can't change the battery. Counterpoint, considering the price, you'll already have gotten your money's worth by then, which will be a couple of years. Number four, no travel case. You get 13 attachments, but nowhere to keep them, organized when you're traveling. Everything just rattles around. But there's a huge counterpoint. With 50 cents, you can buy a zip pouch or a $5 toiletry bag that'll solve this problem instantly. Point number five, it's flimsy. It's got snap-on guards that are even flimsier. The plastic guards bend easily and could break if you're rough or if they get crushed in a drawer. Counterpoint, if you handle your gear carefully, the guards will last as long as you need them to. Point number six, manual cleaning is required. No fancy self-cleaning dock. You need to detach the blade, brush it off, and rinse it manually after every few uses. Counterpoint, it's a 2-minute job that most grooming tools in this price range still require. It's usual. Point number seven, battery life starts strong but declines. You get around 60 minutes of trimming per charge when it's new, but after a couple of years, expect noticeably less time. Counterpoint, if you just need 5-minute trims, you'll barely notice the drop. Point number eight, still no USB-C charging. We are in 2025 and this thing still uses a clunky proprietary wall charger. Counterpoint, if it stays plugged into your bathroom outlet, you'll rarely think about it. Point number nine, loud buzzing noise. This trimmer sounds more like a cheap electric toothbrush on steroids than a refined grooming device. Counterpoint, it gets the job done fast enough that the noise isn't unbearable. Live with it. Point number 10. It lacks precision trimming. Forget sharp beard edges or intricate designs. It's built for basic bulk trimming, not barbershop artistry. Counterpoint. Most users just want to look clean, not carve museum sculptures into the beards. Point number 11. Water resistant, not waterproof. You can rinse the blades underwater, but don't try shaving in the shower unless you want a dead trimmer. Counterpoint, blade rinsing is usually all you really need for home grooming hygiene. So it's alright. Point number 12. No battery charge indicator. You're flying blind. No lights, no warning, no percentage readout. It just stops mid-trim if you misjudge. Counterpoint, top it off every Sunday night and you'll avoid surprises. It's as simple as that. Point number 13. Philips customer service can be hit or miss. Some buyers rave about fast replacements, others say they were left on hold for weeks. Counterpoint, for a $19 device, it's honestly not worth sweating the customer service experience. Point number 14. Tons of attachments you will never use. You get guards for your nose, ears, eyebrows, but realistically, most users will stick to just 2 or 3 of the included pieces. Counterpoint, better to have options and not need them than need them and not have them. So, point number 15, blade maintenance is needed. Even though blades are self-sharpening, occasional oiling extends their life and performance. Counterpoint, a $5 bottle of clipper oil will literally last years. Point number 16, full recharge takes around 8 hours. No fast charge, No 1 hour quick boosts. It's old school slow overnight charging. Counterpoint, charge while you sleep. Simple and effective. 17. Struggles badly with long or dense hair. If you let your beard go wild for 6 weeks and then expect this $19 trimmer to tame it painlessly, you're living in a dream world. Counterpoint, stay consistent with short trims and it'll perform just fine. Point number 18, not usable while it's charging. If the battery dies, you can't plug it in and use it immediately. You'll have to let it charge first. Counterpoint, plan ahead. If you're trimming regularly, you'll rarely drain it completely. Point number 19, limited accessories replacement. Lose a comb or guard, finding a standalone replacement for this model is hit or miss. Counterpoint, honestly at $19 is often cheaper to just buy another full kit if something major breaks. Point number 20, not future-proof. Technology moves fast. This isn't a buy once, use for 10 years kind of investment. Counterpoint, it's grooming gear, it's not a smartphone. Get 2 or 3 good years and you're just way ahead. Alright, now let's talk value. At $19, the Philips Norelco Multi-Groom 3000 completely steamrolls most of his budget competitors. Even the trusted Wall Color Pro often costs $25 to $30. And while it's a good trimmer, it's bigger, heavier, aimed more at full haircuts than beard detailing. Other no-name Amazon brands might cost $18 to $22, but you're rolling dice when it comes to quality. For basic, honest grooming performance, the Series 3000 delivers about 85 to 90% of what casual users need at a price that's almost impossible to beat. Is it luxurious? No. Will it get you through Zoom calls and dates looking clean? Absolutely, it will. So here's the conclusion. The bottom line is that the Philips Norelco Multi-Groom 3000 isn't trying to win awards. It's cheap, it's basic, it's no nonsense. And honestly, if you're frugal, practical, and only need something to stay neatly trimmed without blowing cash, it's one of the smarter ways to spend $19. If you're expecting heavy-duty power or luxury features, you'll be disappointed. But if you see it for what it is, an affordable, functional grooming tool, it punches way above its price. So, what are the buy score and the don't buy scores? The buy score is 8 out of 10. That's very high. If you know what you're buying, you just need a cheap, reliable, basic trimmer, you should go for it. The don't buy score is 6.5 out of 10. If you need professional grade performance or expect it to survive rough handling, this is not for you. If you found this brutally honest breakdown helpful, smash that like button. It really helps more people find no hype reviews. Also share this video with anyone who's tired of getting burned by overhyped products. If you want more brutally practical reviews just like this one, make sure you subscribe to Up on Top and hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. Also, I want to hear from you. Have you used the Philips Norelco Multi-Groom 3000? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Let's get a real world conversation going in the comments below.